Okay, it's April 23rd, and I finally got my Stanford welcome package. Very cool. Comes in a box just like this. You can already see the paper leaking out. It says welcome on the side. Has my address on the other side. And then they have the shipping info in the back. With class of 2026, welcome. Alright, so let's open this slice through here. Okay. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, is this my Stanford letter? Ooh, what a nice folder. I like it. This is the type of folder I like. Like Harvard's folder says welcome with the class of 2026. Doesn't say Harvard on it. This one says Stanford in big bold letters. Ooh. And it looks like you're opening up a diploma. Very cool. Congratulations. W. April 1st. Okay. Wow, what the heck? This is my... They give me a hat. Oh my god. Ooh, this is exactly what you need for going to California. It's in the shade. Oh. What the heck? It's like a Stanford fedora. The Stanford pennant. Nice. Some stickers. Ooh, a car freshener, I think. Hopefully?
Keychain.
Or a keychain? Oh, because car fresheners look like trees. So it's class of 2026 on the back. Some stickers. Nerd Nation, Stanford Cardinal. Why are the stickers always dirty? There we go. Oh, very cool. A Stanford notebook. With a Stanford pen. Oh my god. Stanford knows how to do drip. They know how to do the merch. What the... And it's recycled. It's recycled. Very cool. A Stanford Thermos. Ooh.
Water.
I might have to go to water bottle. I might have to go to Stanford instead. They got way better drip. What is this? Is this like a blender bottle? An ice bottle? It says Stanford on it. This is a basket infuser, so it's probably for like tea.
It's for ice.
Oh, for ice?
Mm.
It's for basket. It's for fruit.
Oh.
You put fruit in it, and it's supposed to infuse into the water. Very cool. What the heck? And then last but not least,
M&M.
M&M's. Stanford M&M's, white and red. Dang. They really put thought into this. This is so cool. There's so much M&M's, it's almost overflowing. You can't even cap it. Whoop. Wow, what? That's so cool. Oh, they got the hat. I got the thermos. I got my M&M's. I got my notebook. I'm ready for Stanford. Wow. This is pretty cool. I'm chuffed to get this. This is awesome. Stanford really outdid themselves. I just want to say thank you to all the admissions officers that helped me get in there, and to all the people in my life who supported me through the way. It's awesome.